For this video, we're dismantling MSI GP60 Leopard. So it has 1, 2 screws around it and 1 ribbon cable, which is easy to remove and pull them out just like that. Let's just switch ribbon cable, power ribbon cable. So remove those 2 screws, and the palmrest should come off. Also forgot one thing, which is this palmrest a mouse pad, touchpad, also has a ribbon which is easy to move as well, and pull the cable out. So it basically, the palmrest, it comes out himself as it's broken, so just like nicely, still can sell this part easily, and this is not. Oh look, I missed the screw, which is easily coming out. It should come out. Never mind, I let it go. This one is loose as well. It's just stuck in there, probably broken. So put a plastic in there, just nicely, wiggle it nicely, and it should come out. Oh, screws kept coming. So, oh, I lost the screw. Never mind. It's fine. Still should come out. That's it. You see, I feel it does have a screw somewhere in the middle, which is an invisible screw. Aha! The screw is there. Which one? I missed it. So it has a bit more than 20 screws, which I haven't seen it. So the screw is still somewhere. Yeah, still holding. Right, so we need to remove CPU, heatsink, and then it should be there somewhere, that hidden screw. So it's so easy to miss the screw, but much easier to break it. So, which we don't need it. We're here to sell the parts. So sell the parts and repair laptops. So basically, I'm not really a talky person, but if I need it, I talk enough to say enough. You know what I mean? So basically, remove this heatsink nicely. Beautiful heatsink, isn't it? It's for sale, and that will be link in my description as well. So what did I say? The hidden screw is there under this heatsink. So let's remove this. Come out. Okay, so that's it. Got it. Got the screw. So palmrest, it has another screw which is there. So this just there, which I missed it again. So as I said, it has a bit more than 20 screws, which I counted, and as my video. I'm not always doing those videos, but I decided to make those videos to put better sale from my site, from my eBay site, which is eBay pushed me down, they downgrade me, and I can't sell anywhere else except UK. So I thought this will be ideal for my own business and increase it eBay sales as well. So there you go, comes nicely with the 2 hidden screws, which was, oh, it comes apart already, which was one there and one just there. 2 hidden screws, one behind underneath of heating, and one just like wireless cables, under wireless cable side. So we need to disconnect. We need to disconnect the screen, which a part holding up there, some rubber thingy, and it's a little bit on our way, so we need to move it a little bit. And it's glued, it can be glued back very quick. So pull the ribbon cable, which is it's not screen, it's a power cable, and screen is just there, but we still need to remove it anyway. So maybe I was wrong today, but not wrong to identify it at least. So I can pull him out, and I need to unscrew a motherboard, so which is there and holding it. So I'll show you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Till next time. So